Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you or show you how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in your account in Microsoft Teams if you have one, and then after that it will take you to the chat dashboard. So if you guys or your friends are planning to create a group chat, its purpose is you're planning to have a trip or creating an event, and you have to you wanted to create a group chat in order to discuss the things that is needed to in order to build that event. So in order to do that, just have to click this one. So just click that one, the new chat, and all you need to do is to put the name of your friend right here. So just gonna give you some sample here. Just gonna put them that one, and after that click this arrow down, and you just have to put a group name. So for me, my team. Okay, just have to hit enter and send a message for these guys. Okay, say hello team, like that. So that's it guys, that's how are you going to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.